How to change the controller of ebike RX20. Step 1. Remove the controller, which is positioned at the top of the battery tube. The power cable connecting to the motor part needs to be extracted from the frame tube. Now the controller has been removed. Step 2. Install the controller. Thread the two long power cables along the battery tube to the center of the bicycle frame. Since the motor power cable has a large female connector, it takes a little bit of finesse to put it into the battery tube. Just bend it. Rethread the meter and controller wires back into the frame and connect them to the controls. Put the controller back into the upper part of the battery tube and fix it. Don't forget the battery lock. That's all, thank you.